Thanks. Reconnection successful. Only now? Only now? The stream is already over on YouTube. Oh, God. Can you imagine, just for 1 second, my stream loses connection for 1 second, now YouTube complains. Jesus Christ, YouTube is such a bitch when it comes to YouTube Studio streaming. No, see. Oh, okay, now it says it's excellent connection. Okay, well, now I'm the one who's bitching for no reason. Alright, yeah, I don't really... So, I was trying to configure the API gateway stuff. Special events service URI. Need to change some variables. You can't keep getting away with this. As one person used to say it. Wait, we gotta change the value of this thing. Hold on, what? Oh yeah, right, it makes sense. We're just being stupid for no reason again. Huh. I am a stupid boy, said the stupid boy. Now we just gotta inject a special events client, right? Private web client. Yeah, web client, special events. Yeah, let's just generate constructor. I'm too lazy to type out all those letters. Get mapping. Just the bot and me. This bot is mine. God gave this bot to me. Although he's just a bot, he's mine. He notifies his audience of when my stream is going live. This bot is special. He makes me company when I'm by myself. And so when you are by my side, this bot is mine. This was a cover of This Land Is Mine. Okay, so well, we don't really care, right? So map, Jesus Christ, map string object, because this is going to be a proxy endpoint, so it doesn't really process anything. Special events client, get URI, pretty much the same stuff, really. pretty much the same stuff. So API, and then it's going to be really it's very identical. It's very identical. API retrieve body to mono. What do we usually wait? I believe user REST controller had one of those, right? No, body to mono. Oh Jesus. No, we shouldn't be looking in the user repository. We can look in the post REST controller. I believe that it has one of those. Yes, here. New parameterized type reference. Okay. Don't really need that anymore. We don't need it open. I meant that. Map string object. What's wrong? Oh yeah, right. Map response entity. Okay. Yeah, okay. We also need to add switch if empty. No, it's already handled this way. Well, actually, switch if empty, mono error. HTTP status, no content. Ah, fuck, hold on. New response status exception, alright. Now we also gotta do on status. HTTP status code. God damn it, I forgot what the status, because we can't just process no content. It has to be caught in a special way. On status, god damn it. Where can I actually look this up? I think in the users, right? It should have one of those. On status, yep. I'm too lazy to cut. I'm too lazy to write it out again, so. Not user event, no event. That's just to be safe. No event. Oh shit, hold on, no, it's not gonna work this way probably. Well, let's actually see first, because it may work, it may not work. I have to see. Oh, damn. Okay, that's, I think, more or less how it should work. God damn it. Now we just gotta turn on all the microservices just to test this one stupid function. No, hold on, wait. We also have got to make a separate call on the front end. We gotta prepare it. Okay. Since I don't want this to be part of the regular post call for global posts or subscription posts. I want it to be more or less independent. I want it to be something that loads up independently, even if it's a separate request and will cost me slightly more. I don't really care. I want it to be a separate request call. So, where was my feed? God damn it. Shit. Oh god, it's sagging. My mask is sagging really hard right now. Hold on, what does it look like? Is it revealing anything about my face? I think you can see some features of it. Yeah. I should probably move it back. Hold on. Yeah, now the features of my face are concealed a little bit more tightly. Okay, right sidebar, base feed, access, create new content button. Okay, yeah, this is where we can do that. So, async function. Async function. Sync function, then what? Oh yeah, let's come up with a name for it. Get check and get special event, right? Okay. Now const response await fetch. Do we have a, yeah, we do, API getaway. I want to get away. One program all day. I already forgot what what the request point, what the endpoint was for that. API. Then we also have to pass in request init, yes. Method get. Actually, let's just do it as a proper string. Get, no, get. Yeah, that's it. Special events. Yeah, the reason why we're not including the API word here is because the API, I believe, is already included. The API sub URL is already included in the API gateway thing. Stream check functions, Twitch. No, wait. Get post. Shit. Hold on. Get post functions. Yeah, see? So we actually have to also get rid of the slash because it's already included. The slash is also included there. Now, if response status equals 200, return what? Return response, no wait, const data, await response JSON log special event data then else if damn it, I believe no content equals to 204, right? 204. Just return no, I guess. So it returns now, but the problem is I'll still have to process this now, because otherwise, if I don't process, yeah, well, I will just create a function. Subscribe paragraph, new folder. Main content init. Well, actually, what does the main content do? What functions insert? No subscription into feed? Nope. Right for me. Oh. Okay. Await, create, and feed information, init, feed information, home check, create, feed, check whether. What? Wait, what? What the fuck? Main content? Create feed main section. Create feed main section, return object. Should create post functions. Oh, yeah, right. Where should I put it? I think here would be fine, somewhere here. Create new content button. Wait, local storage get branch of base feed more. Init information. Loading screen then should precede it being appended, right? Yeah, makes sense. Then const special event info check and get special event. Check and get special event. Promise. No, wait. Promise. Not promise, but promise. Create feed mode, switch window. I think it can go here. I don't know. Special event info. No, special event element. Create special event element. Oh wait. Special event promise. Right. This should do it. My back. Okay, function. Okay, we also need to export this function. Now, main content. Okay. Other feed functions. Okay. Yeah, well, now at this point, there's no way we can proceed without turning on the microservices. Oh, shit. Jesus. Because, really, what it means here is... You know what? I think I'll go on a break. Just 10 or 15 minutes break. I'll be right back. Right? Okay, I have to start turning on all our microservices. Wait, but before we do, let me check whether or not, yes, all the containers that might occupy the same ports are turned off. Any other microservices? What about the S3 managers turned off? Monolith? Well, yeah, that checks out. Okay, yeah. We can start turning them on now. We will not be needing likes microservices. We'll be needing a post microservice though. So, post application. Oh, post application. Let's connect to the sharded. Wait, what? Where's the special events? Where's the special events? Wait, what? Yeah, it was supposed to, This is so weird. Hold on. Mongo index config. Yeah, special events. Best viewers, yeah. Get the hell out of here. Oh, this is the collection. I'm not really seeing any. Oh, you're right. That's so dumb, so stupid. Drop collection. Yes, that's because it's not meant to be here. Events. No, wait, let's do not a capitalized one. Okay. Refresh database. Oh god. Events, special events, indexes. Wait, what? Author is... Ah, shit. There is no author. There isn't supposed to be author. I'm such a dumb idiot. Oh god. Oh damn. Jesus. I don't even think we need this. I mean... branch event... branch ID description... Yeah, I don't think we'll be needing any sort of indexes besides the date index. We might need to hash and tokenize the... No. To do sharded hash on the what? On the fucking God damn it. My RAM refuses to work. It's leaving me. We might we might shard hash on the branch ID much later on, but not now. Right now I want to deal with the more simple stuff. Let me address it. Okay, posts. Also gotta turn on sessions, right? User service. Okay. Oh yeah, right. The API gateway is not turned on, but I'm pretty sure... Wait, what? Where the fuck is the... Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Application properties. Front end, localhost. Wow. 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 Special events. 90. Right. Okay. Yeah, I think API Gateway is safe to launch. Sessions is launched. Users needs to be launched too. What the hell? So many MongoDB URIs. Now let's launch the users. Is API Gateway on? Yes, it is. We won't really be needing an email for now. What about nodes? Of course we'll be needing nodes. I mean branches. There's like there are very colloquial terms for me, the branches and nodes, because originally in the original design I conceived them as nodes. It's only later on that I decided to go for the name branches. What? Okay. Right, nodes, migration API, paid subscription. Paid subscription is definitely not needed here. So, of all the posts, sessions, okay, yeah. The primary ones are turned on, so let's go ahead and check it out. BranchOf.Art, no wait, localhost feed. Okay, now what seems to be the problem with them? Oh yeah, right, I completely forgot to turn on the files microservice. It's not really a microservice and not really used in the production, but the files application is used a lot in the local development. I need it for my development. Yeah, see? Okay, so let's check it out. The media moving posts is user. What? Is user live? Media capabilities found. What the fuck is media capabilities? Okay. Stream check functions. Other base feed.js. A special event element. Okay. So. Method. Await response. Jeez. I don't get this. I absolutely do not get this. What is going on there? Does it even receive anything? Let's test it. Special events, voice controller, sending special event. I don't care. And also events voice controller here too. Okay, because for some reason, even though the code is figured out, it's, oh yeah, right. That's because I did not reload my front end application, which is also used exclusively in the development, in local development. Okay, let's see. Sending special. Okay, that's weird because special event data is supposed. Oh yeah, right. That's because there is no special event data. Oh, such a dumb idiot. Jesus. Okay. Let's actually insert it then, right? Special events. Okay, yeah, it's just that I don't remember. I don't really remember. I don't really remember the model structure of the. I don't remember the model structure of the special event. So let's see. Branch event. Let's actually take one of our original branches. That's just a bunch of posts that I used to test this. Huh. That's weird. Why does it duplicate so many? No, this is not duplication. This one is, right? No, this was not duplication. It was because I inserted it 2 times. Yeah, I remember it. So stupid. Imagine getting confused by something went wrong with the loading of the branch. What? Unauthorized? What do you mean I'm unauthorized? Oh, yeah, right. That's because it was... Yeah, okay, alright, that's weird. Oh, yeah, right, that's because the likes are not turned on. So stupid. Well, I don't want to turn on the likes, so I'll just, I guess I'll get the ID. I just want to get idea of the node. Where the fuck was it? Shard ID, parent ID list. Okay. I think so, right? It's meant to be the original. Well, even if it isn't, Add data. Oh shit, hold on, no. We will not be doing just we will not be just proxying the data. What we'll be doing is going to be much more complex because we will be assembling data from all other services actually. Ah, jeez. Damn, that's such a freaking cock screwdriver. Add data, insert document, ID, insert? I don't know. Okay, let's see, special events. I don't even know how to add data actually. Okay, add date. Branch ID. Branch ID. I think I will need to create some sort of a console interface for that. Branch ID, this, then name, test, special event, then description. This is a test event, not meant to be anything serious or real. Contact. This isn't going to be string, this is going to be an object. Now, what was the structure of the Discord contact? Okay. Cancel. Okay. Add field to contact. Type. Discord. Discord server ID. Okay. Oh wait. Where do I look? Okay, user settings advanced. Right click on the server icon on the sidebar. User settings advanced. What the hell? Where was it? Where the hell is the developer mode? I cannot find it. User settings, developer mode. Developer mode in Discord. Discord, how to enable or disable developer mode in Discord. Let's see. Appearance. It's supposed to be in the appearance, huh? Text and images, appearance. Okay, streamer mode, advanced. I do not see it anywhere. Maybe it was moved somewhere else. Developer mode. Yep. Okay, now let's see. Where was this? Copy server ID. Alright. Now I'll just insert it here. Copy server ID. Okay. Now invite link. Where was the invite people and copy link. Okay. Update. Alright, let's test it now, I guess. I don't think it's gonna work, but working on preload was preload response, it settled. What? API gateway. Sending special event. Alright, let's okay, let's oh man. Sending special event. Map. Branch event. This out. Branch event. Branch event. Turn response entity. A branch event. Let's test it this way. I just really need to see whether or not it sends anything whatsoever. It might even not send anything because it might be it might switch to empty, right? Yeah, it switches to empty. Okay, so what would the now moment look like in this format? References. You get the current timestamp in that format in JavaScript if you want it exactly like turns on offset. Calculated. without me having to code. Just take the date today. Actually, the current right now is the same format as local time. Okay, let's use it. I don't care. Date. Okay. Alright, so nope, absolutely nothing. I think I'll be finishing the stream soon. You access today's date, meaning it will be displayed with 5 minutes ago across systems and different time zone. I'm so sweaty, so worked up on all this. Yes, it's if used correctly, the format is an example. Let's see in time zone ambiguous. This means if you start time later using prior setup, and your code calculates the difference from the current time. Yeah, current time zone will still see the correct relative time. Oh god, hold on. What does it actually look like in the code? Node service, create post, ISO format, set date timestamp now, posts. Wait, do posts have different timestamp format? They have exactly the same stuff, right? Days in system time now, the current timestamp, yes. This is based on UTC or in different time. For example, let's say the timestamp in local database. 5 minutes later, you know, from a long time ago, that chance or not. Repository event time. No, that's date. That's so. Oh, that's why it was not really retrieving anything. God damn it, ChatGPT, you gave me the wrong code. I was sitting here feeling myself like a dummy. Alright, should do something now. It should return anything now. It's not returning anything. Not. Special events. Okay. How come this returns nothing when my document is literally in the screenshot? I don't really care about the consistency of my language. It's got core of the issue you're acquiring, but your document has let's say it isn't said, so why is it not? Let's debug it logically. Step 1, print the actual values you're acquiring. Okay, alright, let's do it then. Should match potential reasons for not getting the result. Be stored as a string, not a date. Day versus. There you go. Right, let's see. Okay, it says what? Now. Fast. Okay. State is not within the past. What? But how? The event state is not within the past 24 hours. Wait, what? He gave me like... Wow, what an idiot. That's so weird. How could he do that? Okay. Oh, this time it should work. I think I fixed it. Two days old, so it does not match the filter. What to do now if you expect the event to show up now? Check how to test it. see. Okay. Update. Well, it should work now, right? Otherwise, it's not working, is it? Well, now, at least now it's giving out an error, so we're making progress. Failed to instantiate my special events models. Contact user construct, not construct with arguments. Okay. This looks way more manageable. Copy the clipboard from the VB. The root cause you're using as in the context includes a type field should does. Info is there, but still it's because missing no args concerning Discord contact class. What? Needs a no args construct unless you're using constructor bits. Either. Okay, that's so weird. That's so weird. So Jackson, Jackson used by string needs to have no args constructor. That's insane. Feels so counterintuitive. Public Discord contact. I don't know. Is this what it looks like? This constructor based serialization. Force frame must be configured to support constructor mapping. Sounds needed. Okay, let's actually try it now. Okay. Now constructor instantiate class. The same document. Tells that isn't Jack an interface when reading from one doesn't know how to. So, respect Reading polymorph types like the root problem mapping. Use the context field knows the Java type is contact and interface. A trust instantiate which it cannot because it's an interface, even though a fixed option. Use a concrete instead of interface. Nope. Converted to interface polymorphism. So registered in your model config. Recommend since you already have multiple subtypes. Converter. You know what? I'm gonna finish here because it's too much to handle. It really is too much to handle. I'm dead. I'm beat to meat. I'm something else. Yeah, I better handle this, address those problems on my own, not in this sweaty mask. Right, thank you for everyone who appeared today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow.